menu. The Windows XP Start menu is a simple way to organize the way you work and access information. The Start menu provides an easy way to find and launch applications. Program shortcuts can be easily placed on the Start menu to provide quick access to frequently used programs and documents. By customizing the Start menu, you can easily access a variety of system-related information ideal for troubleshooting or configuration of the PC. If you do not like the newly redesigned Windows XP Start menu, you can easily switch to the classic version evident in earlier versions of Windows. Newly added programs are highlighted on the Windows Start menu, but this option can be turned off by customizing certain options. Graphical representation of the Windows Start menu. On a Windows-based computer, there are two ways you can access the Start menu. The first method requires the use of the mouse. The second requires use of the keyboard. Once you click the Start button on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you will notice Microsoft added a second menu containing links to important system information such as the control panel and various user folders, including My Documents, My Pictures, and My Music. Click this image to continue. Accessing the Start menu using the mouse. To access the Windows Start menu, position the mouse cursor over the Start button and left-click once. You are then presented with a menu containing links to some of your most frequently accessed programs, documents, files, and shortcuts used to manage devices in the computer. Accessing the Start menu using the keyboard. Most keyboards have a dedicated Windows function key for launching the Start menu. On most keyboards that contain 104 keys, a special key has been designated for interacting with a Windows operating system. This key, in combination with a specific letter, number, or symbol, enables Windows to carry out a variety of tasks such as launching the Start menu. To launch the Windows Start menu from the keyboard, simply press the Start key and the menu should appear. Click this image to continue. Running programs using the Start menu. The most common thing to do through the Start menu is launching a program. Program executables are accessible via shortcuts and placed on the Start menu for easier access. An executable program is the primary file used to launch the software. A file is a collection of data compiled together into a working program. Although there are a couple of ways of accessing programs on your computer, using the Start menu's Run command is the easiest and fastest method only if you know what the program's executable name is. For example, many programs built into the Windows XP operating system have familiar names like Notepad, Calculator, and Paint. You can easily type in a common name through the Windows Open dialog box to launch the program. To launch a program through the Windows Start menu, follow these instructions. 1. Left-click the Start button. 2. Left-click the Run command on the Start menu. 3. On the Run window, type the program that you want to execute in the input box. 4. Left-click the OK button or press the Enter key and your program should open. If it doesn't, check the program name. Remember, the program's name is not case-sensitive. 5. Alternatively, pressing the Alt key plus R will do the same steps outlined in this tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the process of launching Windows Explorer, a file management utility built into all versions of Windows. 1. Left-click the Start button. Left-click the Run menu item. This will cause the Run dialog box to appear. 2. In the Open box, type the command Explorer. 3. Left-click the OK button. This will cause the Windows Explorer window to open. Congratulations! You now know how to open Windows Explorer through the Windows Start menu Run command.